Hey, what's up guys? Hope everybody's doing good. Got a video today for y'all, heading out to a no cooling call today, and it is at the local resort that I have become accustomed to. They're always having us out there for something, but anyway, I'm gonna bring y'all along with me and see what we find today. Y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, here's my unit. I walk outside and here's what we're dealing with. Got a fresh layer of snow on here. So let's get this thawed out and see why. Guys, y'all can see how froze up it is from the cool. Filter was clean, but it was sopping wet. So it looks like we may have a refrigerant problem here. Up pretty solid, guys. Take a little bit to thaw out this one. Alright guys, got it in heat mode and I am just playing the waiting game now. Got to get this coil thawed out and the line set. Alright, so sometimes you got to do what you got to do. It just come to my attention that this thing is so low on refrigerant, it's going to take forever to thaw this thing out in heat mode. So luckily in this room I found a hair dryer, and I'm going to try to speed up this thawing out process. So here we go. Alright, so it's coming along, it's taking some time. I'm hoping to just stick my leak detector in here and be done, but let's finish this off. Hey guys, so I was finishing up inside. I come outside real quick with my leak detector just to go over this thing real quick, just kind of see if I get anything on the cool. Basically, our new protocol here at this resort is these 20-year-old systems. If we can detect a leak, we pretty much condemn them at that point. So we just use this thing right here, our electronic leak detector. We just basically try to get a system so with it if we find some refrigerant leaks. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just checking the bottom of the coil, see if I detect anything. It's probably more than likely going to be in the evaporator, but you know, might get lucky. Although I am getting a hit right there. Oh yeah. Going crazy down in there, guys. Alright guys, I got it somewhat thawed out, so I'm just going to run my leak detector over here and see if I can get any hits in this evaporator. Alright y'all, so I didn't detect any leaks in the evaporator at this time. I did find that leak in the condenser, the bottom of the condenser coil, but I also got to noticing how dirty my blower wheel was. So there's the side I haven't cleaned compared to the side I did clean. And this was causing a major restriction of airflow. It was just barely trickling out the vents. So that was definitely playing a factor. I do also believe that, you know, we obviously have the refrigerant leak, so it's almost certainly low as well. So we're going to finish cleaning this wheel and check the refrigerant charge and see if we need to top it off. Hey guys, I had to cut that one a little short. I apologize, but I ended up trying to add some refrigerant and it pretty much leaked out as fast as I could get it in. So that's going to be the end of the road for that 20-year-old unit. And we're going to be coming and replacing it. So that's going to be a system sale, and that system had all sorts of problems anyway. So it was, besides the leak, it had some other stuff going on. So definitely a good one to replace. But I'm gonna head on to the next one. I'm glad I was able to get something for y'all. So we will see y'all on the next call. Thanks for watching.